I'm Dr. Calvin Lim. I'm from Penang. I graduated as a pharmacist in 1990s, and after that I pursued my study in natural therapy. I'm now a homeopathic doctor, and I have my two integrative medicine center, one in Green Lane and one in Simpang Empat in Penang. I bought Thermomix about 10 years ago, and this is an very old model. It's called TM31. Yes. So in fact, at the beginning, we didn't use it that much. When after that, we moved to the new house in Penang Island, and especially my maid. When my maid went back to Philippines, so I don't have maid to clean the kitchen for me. So we start using the Thermomix to prepare the cooking. My wife was not very interested in cooking at first when we first get married. But after we bought this machine, now she becomes like chef, restaurant kind of standards of chef. A lot of dishes that I think that is a challenge to cook, like char siu, like those tang chu pai gu, and a lot of complicated dishes that you can only get in restaurants. And we get it done at home just about half an hour. And I feel that it's amazing. Through all this process, your experience with the cooking, all this, you gain your confidence. My wife now is very confident in cooking. Now you tell her that you want to cook for 20-30 packs. She said okay. She's not like last time panic or how to prepare, and better go and tapao all this with those kind of unhealthy food. So we can prepare healthy food for our church members, for our families, just by a click of half an hour. So normally, especially a lot of people are getting quite amazed how I'm going to prepare a curry chicken for 30 packs within 20 to 30 minutes. So normally I just buy the spices, the onions, and whatever things the ingredients that I have. Of course, I like healthy cooking. That's the reason why I use Thermomix, because the temperature was controlled, and your things won't get burnt. I just blend it and cook at the same time, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to prepare a curry chicken. After that, I opened another therapy center in Green Lane in Penang. So we decided to have some healthy cooking class. That's why I get another unit, the TM5. I bought it because we do have a lot of cancer patients, and when they come to our clinic, they do have challenge in preparing healthy food. So I think the best things that I can think of is the TM5, which is a new unit. We just plug in a dongle. You don't even have to flick through the menu, and from the machine itself, you already get all the simple steps that you need to prepare healthy food. So I will recommend, to my friends and to young family, to my patients, because I think that it's really convenient. Though it's about 6,000 plus, I think it's really worth the money. It saves your time. The most importantly, it prepares healthy food and healthy cooking for your family. Is the thing that you cannot buy with money. You see. So something that you cannot measure by the cost.